Straight out of the gate, gas is a cheaper energy source per unit than electric, meaning you'll be spending less money on your heating bills, in theory. Having said that, it's important to balance this with other expenses, such as money going to waste on heat losses, the ability to zone your heating, maintenance fees, and potential repair costs. Oh, and of course, boiler replacements, because they don't come cheap. With electric radiators, we already know that electricity is more expensive than gas, but it's worth remembering how much easier it is to control electric radiators than it is to control gas radiators. With electric, you can warm individual rooms to save energy and adjust the heating to ensure energy usage is in line with your budget. And don't forget, they're 100% efficient at point of use, so you always know exactly where your money is going.